4, 3, 2, 1. Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! 3, 2, 1. Basically, we destroyed illegal fireworks that was collected throughout the county. We do this as, number one, as a disposal to get rid of the items that are illegal here in the county of San Diego, and also as a public safety, message to our county residents and city residents that fireworks are illegal. Fireworks can be very dangerous. Even sparklers burn at about 2,000 degrees. It's enough to burn a child's clothing, or give you a pretty decent burn. So, there's always, because we're in the San Diego region, there's always a higher fire threat here in the county and in the area. So as we've seen over the years, just even a small campfire could do acres and acres worth of damage and tie up resources. So a simple firework, a black cat or a Roman candle, or even a sparkler could set off a blaze that would tie up our resources and injure people or potentially destroy property.
A lot of times kids play with fireworks in canyons, and that's how a lot of wildfires get started. As you may remember, that the 2007 wildfires were actually started by juveniles. So you want to make sure that kids aren't playing anywhere near canyons with fireworks if they are playing with fireworks. Also, if you're caught selling fireworks to children, you can be fined $5,000.